using GeoIP with Django on Appengine. I tried Django recently, and worked just fine for me, even without installing that C library. But when I use the same project in the Appengine SDK, it fails whenever it tries to import the GeoIP class. Then I looked into the differences, I downloaded the new Appengine SDK plus Django 1.2, and the problem remains. I tried python manage.py shell. From django.contribution.gi's import utils. utils.has_GeoIP hashtag returns false, Django in Appengine. But when I do the same thing in a native Django app, the same line returns true. What am I missing here?
The GeoIP class is a wrapper around the GeoIP C API. Unfortunately, you can't use C extensions in Appengine, so you can't use the GeoIP support that comes with Django. PyGeoIP is a GeoIP library implemented in pure Python. You can try to integrate that.
GeoIP